Morning guys and gals, Froggy here. These are some rims I just got for my C6 Z06, which is that, and I'm going to give you the specifications on them, and I'm going to weigh them also. So a lot of guys of course are interested in the weight, but first let's get the specifications. These are Forgestar rims. And this is, they're both 18s. This is 11-inch wide, and this is 13-inch wide. So you can see they're 11 and 13. And here are some specifications. The 11 has a 36 millimeter offset from center line. The 13 has a 56 millimeter offset from center line. And I didn't get any kind of super special deal or any sponsorship, so I'm not plugging the company that I bought them from. But if you want to know more, you can privately email me or whatever. Anyway, I'm going to measure the back spacing also, because some guys go by back spacing instead of going by offset. I understand that. So I'll measure the back spacing first. So bear with me. I've got one hand on the camera. I don't want to take the time to set up a tripod. One hand on the camera and one hand on the rulers. So this is the 11. And I would say a little more than 7 5/16 or 18, let's see, between 18 and 19 centimeters, 18.5, like 18.7. What do you think? About 18.7 centimeters. And it's just a touch over 5/16. Okay? That's backspace. That's on the 11. So this is the 13-inch, and it's like 23.25 centimeters, or about 9 and 3.5/16. I'm sorry, I don't have 30 seconds on this ruler except at the very beginning of the ruler. 9 and 2.5/16, which would be what, 30 seconds. Anyway, there's some backspace measurements for you, and now put them up on that scale there. I've got a luggage scale, digital luggage scale. So the 11 is 24 pounds. .85 kilograms. Whoops. 23.9 pounds. All right. And the 13 is 25.7. Let's see if I can give you kilograms. 11.65 kilograms. 25.7. Okay, so there you go. I gotta get some tires put on these today, and then I'll show you on the car also. But I just wanted to give you some specifications on these rims. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy, and click on the notification bell if you want notifications. See ya. Be safe. Have fun. Froggy out. Bye.